Hey ladies and gents, Photo Man back with another video. Hope everyone's keeping well, and thanks for tuning in for another video. Who doesn't love the original Superman movies? This is the Kent farm from the 1978 movie Superman and Superman 3 from 1983. I couldn't find any history on the farm itself, but it seems to be standing tall after all of these years. Nestled along a gravel road, this area of Alberta has been home to movies such as Superman, Superman 3, obviously. Brokeback Mountain was filmed just up the road, and TV series such as Hell on Reels, Heartland, and Winona Earp, I believe, is also filmed in and around this area. Hope you enjoy this one.